Hey Tumblr, I'm in the last quarter mile of this shitty mile, and it's really hard. I'm not even running that fast. I've been doing about 8:49, and I thought I'd record myself from this super flattering angle while I finish. I think I missed the mile challenge last time this came around, so I'm doing it now. It's basically the worst idea I've had in a long time. I have to run 2 more miles after this. We'll see. Oh God. Oh, fuck my life. Okay. 8th of the mile. Jesus Christ. So how are you guys? Having a good, what's it, Tuesday? I'm gonna go see Rufus tonight. Definitely looking forward to that more than this. There's people staring at me, but all for the vlog, right? Okay, sprint to the end. 8:34. This is the worst. I hate you, pump. You fast bastard. Yep, get it blocked. Any minute. It's imminent. 8:48. Jesus Christ. Slow down. Oh God. So, apparently my fastest mile that I can do without dying is 8:48. That's my contribution today to this running challenge. If you don't hear from me again, it's because I died. Okay. Peace.